thoroughly, I mean, if nothing else, paranormal aside, this is a place well worth visiting.
Oh yeah, definitely. We're about to head upstairs. We haven't investigated upstairs aside from when we set the motion detector up, and then when I went and got. What was that?
That was loud.
That was something at the front door.
Hello? I thought it came from in here.
The dining room?
Hello? I don't see nothing moved. That was pretty loud.
That was really loud.
There's nothing in here moved.
And the reason I'm not following him quickly is because I have the tripod set up and, well, I'm not trying to destroy anything. See, to me it sounded like it was coming from the foyer here.
Well, even in here, I mean, nothing moved.
Right. Here, try knocking on the door. Like, do a knock on the door, see what it sounds like. That's not really what I heard. And of course, the door is locked.
Right.